Watch what you're doing. It's okay. Do you want to put them back in? Do you want to put them back up? I will hold the coaster. Got it? That looks like they're gonna fall. Jane, what you're trying to do is really hard. So it's gonna take practice. Do you want me to hold the coaster for you and help? Or do you want to do it all by yourself? Okay, you let Mommy know if you want help. Be very slow. Uh-oh. Here, Jane, let Mommy hold it. Let me help you. Jane Marie, we can do it together. So let's do it together. I'll hold the coaster for you, and you put your shapes on here. The square. Yep, it looks perfect right there. Okay, I think you should hold it right here. Hold it in these spots. It's gonna fall over. Hold it right here.
Hello.
Yes, hello.
Hello.
Jane Marie, you're so silly. Are we all done? Okay.